3 days namin itong i-water blast. Ayan, umpisahan na namin to. Water blast muna.
There's 2 there. Yeah. So 5, isn't it? 1, 2, 3,
Yeah.
4, 5, 6. Oh, okay. Alright, I'll let you do that.
Kailangan namin i-disconnect lahat ng... Oh! How to disconnect this?
See how easy it is. Hope it's straightforward. I'll carry on with the cutting.
Yeah.
It's easy?
Oh, it's difficult. Just connecting. No, just yeah. Yep. Like that.
Yes.
Okay. And in here, I don't know how. I need to
Here how?
remove this.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's necessary one.
Other side.
Yeah. I have one.
Oh, need. Okay.
This
And
is
remove.
Bruce. This is his plan.
Ayan, water blast kami ngayon. Roof. As you can see, looks the roof. Sobrang malumot na. Ayan, nagpatulong ako sa kumuha ko ng isang tao para patulong ko dito. Mag-water blast nito.
Pati ba bubong pare? Si Misael.
Ano lang, wash lang ang bubong.
Misael.
Yan, gaano kalaki yan. Yung mga 3 days namin itong i-water blast. Paikot dito.
Oo nga pare, pati bubong. Kasi yung madulas yan eh. Yung problema,
Check natin yung ano.
walang tatalian. Ang core point.
Diyan sa mga puno.
Ito.
Tignan ko mamaya pag...
Yung dapat pala hindi ko binalik yung musyon, yung tali, yung itim. Nasa bag ko yun eh.
Yung ano.
Tsaka yung may ano.
Meron ako dyang ay, nasakyan ko yung tali.